Hey everybody, it's Drekow from the Creativity Cave. I am here to tell you today about my class sale that's going on. I have been, as many of you know, I've been working on cleaning out my whole office and all my business things. And so I have some classes that I have discovered that I would love to send to happy new homes. As a result, I have some great discounts offered between 10 and like 50 or more percent, kind of depending on the class and how many of them I have. So there's some great deals to be had. I'm going to show you a little bit about what these classes look like, what some of the projects are that they create. Know that every single class is made with love. You will receive a PDF that has the video tutorials along with the instructions, photos, additional card samples using whatever it was that was part of the class, and just all the good things. Of course, the packets all have the pre-cut cardstock that you need to create your projects quickly and easily and fun. And of course, there's all kinds of good stuff that comes with the packets. So I'm going to flip my camera around and show you all of the fun stuff. I'm not going to show you every class because there's just too many, but I have like 4 or 5 here that I will show you like what the packet looks like, some of the cards that the class is going to create so you can see what some of the samples look like. And then of course, when you order, your packet will send it to you, and then we'll send you via your email that you register with, we'll send you the PDF that goes with the class. So hold it tight while I switch my camera around, and then I'll show you the good stuff. Now, the important thing to remember about registration is that you are not registered until you add the classes. So if you fill out all the information and click register, but don't add any classes and don't pay for anything, you're not registered. If you do that, I'll just cancel your registration and you can go back in and try it again. If you are trying to add a class and it won't let you, it's probably because it's sold out. I put how many quantity of classes are available, I think, in everything. If it's sold out, it's sold out. Every very so often, someone will hit complete their order at the same time. And as a result, I might sell out of a class if they happen to have, if they're trying to get the same thing. It doesn't, like I said, it's pretty rare, but it has happened to me a couple times in the past. If that's the case, I'll just refund your money because there's nothing else I can do about it. So if the class is sold out, it's sold out. Just be aware. Sorry about that. And then these can only be sent to U.S. addresses. So if you are somewhere overseas, sorry, that's just the Stampin' Up! Rules. All sales are final on these. So if you get a class and realize you already had it, or if you get a class and decided you don't want it, all sales are final. So once you've registered, that is it. Okay, guys, our first is the Peaceful Deer online class. So we have the stamp set and punch for this in the catalog. You get a half a roll of red and black and white gingham ribbon. You get a half a package of red rhinestones, all the pre-cut cardstock, plus, are you ready for this? A quarter pack of that DSP, which is you can't get it. Also black sparkly paper. So this is pretty awesome. And then of course you've got the pre-cut cardstock for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think there's 9 cards in here. Okay, and here are, let's see. Ooh, do I have samples? I might not have samples of this one. So, but the cards on this one actually were amazing. Yeah, I don't have the samples for this one. Sorry, I thought I did. But the cards for this are really awesome. And some of them are like masculine cards and some of them are Christmas cards. So it's a really great, versatile class. This is the Pansy Make and Take. This is from my team meetings. I offer team meetings to my team every month. And we have make and take packets. And in this class, you're going to make 5 cards. Several are fun folds. You've got all the pre-cut cardstock. You've got the Pansy DSP. And then you've got some gems and some linen thread in this one. So this is a really great one. The cards on this are really awesome. I think I might have them. Let me take a look. Okay, so here's a couple of them. So like, look at this. This is kind of a little bit of a fun fold, a good masculine card. Like that's one of the make and take cards. And then this is another one. This one is going to open. Oh, I have it upside down. This one is going to go like this. So really fun. And in classes like this, I've included this die cut for you and like the scallop rectangle in the packet. So like all that pre-cut stuff is in there for you. If you have the pansy dies, great. Otherwise you can just fussy cut this. Otherwise you just add a sentiment to it. So they're really easy projects. I think this one we used the Grassy Grove, but you could easily substitute other stuff and the cards would be great. So this one makes 6 cards. Here is, ooh, these were good. This is April Game Night from this past spring. And this is 6 really awesome projects. Okay, so you've got pre-cut cardstock to make some super cute cards. Then you've got some DSP in here. So there is some of that rainbow DSP and some of that daffodil afternoon DSP. There are some gems, and these are the bees. So there's all kinds of fun stuff in here. And I believe these were a pretty good discount, if I'm not mistaken. So that's this one's going to be a good deal, the game night. Oh, this class, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is a really good class. Okay. So this one features the Borders Basics dies. And, sorry, I'm just grabbing them. They're these dies. Okay. And then we use that with the In Bloom stamp set. Now that was retired. You could, if you have that set or the dies that go with it, you can certainly do this, or you can substitute another floral set. I'm going to go out on a limb and say you probably have a floral set laying around. I'm just saying. But these cards are so much fun. There's some fun folds in here. 9 amazing projects, all the pre-cut cardstock, a huge thing of DSP. So lots of really great projects in this one. This is I can't believe y'all didn't order this. Just saying. I can't believe I have leftovers is what I mean. Okay. Then our last one that I've got the packet for to show you. This was our January to June 2021 new catalog kickoff make and take packet. So these ones were probably like $50 originally because there's so many goodies in it. So you've got 2 rolls of ribbon, you've got stencils, you've got jewels, tons of DSP, all kinds of DSP in here. And then pre-cut cardstock for 9 projects featuring things that were in the January to June catalog. And in the description of the videos in the registration, I'll give you as much information about them as I can, like what sets did we use, what things do you need, what does the class include. Some of them include DSP, but some of them do not. Most of them do, but there are a few that do not, just so you know. But that doesn't mean you can't make them. It just means that you will need some DSP, which chances are you might have, or you can substitute other things that you might have if you don't have the exact one we used. So lots of options. I do have some more samples. So I'm just going to show you. I didn't grab the packets for all these, but I'm going to show you a few. So there's I showed you the Peaceful Deer online class. So this makes 9 cards. We also had a make and take packet. This was from my team meeting. It's going to make like 6 cards, and these are the 6 cards. So they're super cute with that Peaceful Deer set. Super duper cute, and they open up like that. So really fun, and it has the DSP in it in the packet, as well as some of that fancy paper too that we used. So good stuff there, and I believe it had the ribbon. Another one is, this is the On the Horizon make and takes. I think that's what they're called. This one is going to make gorgeous cards. It contains a whole pack of that beautiful New Horizons DSP that sold out pretty quick. It's all retired. And then you have all of the die cut pieces in here. All you need to do is add sentiments to make these projects, and they are amazing, you guys. So we've got all of these. This piece is die cut for you. You're welcome. Such beautiful, simple cards. These might be called the New On the Horizon silhouette cards. That's maybe what they're called, not the make and take. Punch, it's in there. So all this good stuff is in there. So it's a really great class. I think that's all that I have to share. So if you have any questions, holler. I'm going to flip my video again. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me. The registration is in the link in the description of this video. I'll have it come up on the video as well. And all the details are also found on my blog if you like to read the information. As I said, I put as much information as I could in the class description for each class, like what sets we used, unless it's pretty obvious. Usually if it's called the name of a bundle, that's the bundle you need. But if there's anything else, I tried to indicate that in there. If you have any questions though, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to answer them. And thank you guys so much for being a part of the Creativity Cave. I really appreciate it. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.